Hello students, myself Professor Deepak Saini. Today we are going to do bean seeds are there. Bean seed is a dicot seed. You know the dicot seeds are which is having two cotyledons are there like pea, gram, beans, groundnut. They have two cotyledons are there. And there is the food is stored in the cotyledons. There is no endosperm in the dicot seed is there. And how the dicot seed will be formed that I will tell you in the embryology portion. So this has two cotyledons are there and the food is stored in the cotyledons and they are the good source of proteins like pulses, like gram, like kidney beans जिसको आप राजमा कहते हो. So they are all dicot. They are the good source of proteins are there. Soya bean, it is also a dicot. So dicot have two cotyledons are there and this is a seed of a bean. It is kidney shaped and it has a depression on one side. This depression is called as an hilum. And on the lower side of the hilum is present the micropyle, okay? And on the upper side is present the raphe. These are the two cotyledons are shown. अगर यहाँ पे देखें ये थोड़ा सा इधर raphe जाएगा और यहाँ पे there is present and micropylar end is there, ठीक है? Micropylar end. And seed has, you know very well, ovule has two integuments. Due to the two integuments, the seed will also have two that is covering. The outer integument get converted into testa and inner integument get converted into tegma is there. अगर आप सीड को देखोगे ये आउटर पार्ट टेस्टा जो कि आउटर इंटेगुमेंट से बना है, जो इनर है टेगमा जो कि इनर इंटेगुमेंट से बना है, and these are the two cotyledons are there. There is a well developed embryonic axis. You see this is a well developed embryonic axis is there which is present between the two cotyledons are there. Embryonic axis have a well defined radicle and an hypocotyle portion, plumule, which is surrounded by a small cotyledonary leaf-like structures, and this is an epicotyle is there. Where the embryonic axis joined with cotyledon, that point is called as an cotyledonary node. Cotyledonary node is there, where the embryonic axis is joined with cotyledons. And even embryonic axis is also called as an tigillum. We also name it as an tigillum. From the cotyledonary node, the portion between the cotyledonary node and the plumule is called as an epicotyle, and similarly the portion between the radicle and that of the cotyledonary node is called as an hypocotyle is there. तो ये आप देख रहे हो कैसे ये रेडिकल है और ये कॉटनरी लीव्स होती हैं, ये जर्मिनेट जब करता है तो इन दिस वे द सीड इज फॉर्म. अब इसमें अगर आप कुछ और सीड्स हैं like endospermic seed में example दी castor seed, maize seed, wheat seed, barley seed, rubber seed, they are basically ये monocot seeds are there and monocot seeds are albuminous seeds are there. And non-endospermic seed or ex-albuminous seed is a dicot seed, which mainly dicot, but I have told you earlier castor is the only dicot seed which is endospermic. And this is the cotyledonary seed which is pea, gram, where the food is stored in the cotyledon and cotyledons are well defined and there are two cotyledons are there. And cotyledonary seeds are, the food is stored in the cotyledon and there is no endosperm is seen. Perispermic seed I have told you earlier. Perisperm is a remnant of Nucellus. This is a black pepper seed, coffee seed and castor seed, cardamom seed, nymphia seed. ये nymphia seed जो होता है ये लोटस, ये जो लोटस का सीड होता है, लोग इसको खाते भी हैं. ये डायकॉट है, इसमें पेरिस्पर्म होता है. एक एरिल होता है, एरिल इन द केस ऑफ लीची. लीची के अंदर अगर आप देखते हो कि ये जैसे सीड है, ये अंदर सीड होता है और यहाँ पे एक फ्लैशी सा स्ट्रक्चर चलता है. दिस इज बेसिकली रिप्रेजेंटिंग द थर्ड इंटेगुमेंट एंड इट इज एडिबल पार्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड एज एन एरिल. एंड थर्ड इंटेगुमेंट अराइजिंग फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द व्यूल, इट इज सीन इन लीची एंड इट इज आल्सो सीन इन नटमेग. नटमेग एक जैफल होता है विच इज़ यूज्ड इन द स्पाइसेस में ये यूज़ किया जाता है. सीड के अंदर जो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट होता है दैट इज़ ओनली हैविंग 10 to 15% ऑफ द मॉइस्चर कंटेंट. ड्यू टू दैट लेस मॉइस्चर कंटेंट जो जिसके अंदर जो एम्ब्रियो होता है वो डॉर्मेंट रहता है. व्हेन द सीड इज सोन इन द सॉइल इट अब्सॉर्ब वाटर ड्यू टू इम्बाइबेशन एंड द insoluble form of the food they get converted into soluble form and that food goes to the embryonic axis and radicle will come out and it will form the root and plumule will form the shoot is there. So this is the basic structure of a bean seed with two cotyledon. Outer integument is called testa, inner is called tegma, and two cotyledons, then embryonic axis. All the part of the embryonic axis is well defined here, well distinct like plumule, hypocotyle, radicle and the hypocotyle. all are well distinct. Or for radicle or for root, it will form the root, and plumule will form the shoot is there. Okay.